The Legal Lands on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown Crouppen Law Firm.
So what we're seeing is drones being used to basically enforce stop signs and gather evidence. In particular, Maryland Heights has recently used drones to enforce drivers stopping at a four-way intersection. What we're seeing is other municipalities exploring the options of using drones for gathering evidence and even ticketing people for moving violations. We're seeing, states across the country, including Missouri, introduce new laws about it. The basis of striking down the Missouri red light cameras was the lack of due process. So basically, they would issue tickets to the owner of the vehicle, whether or not the owner was actually driving at the time the violation occurred. So that was found to be unconstitutional. And many people are likening the drone enforced citations to the red light tickets. I would suggest getting an attorney just because this is a new way of enforcing moving violations, and moving violations can, as you know, affect your insurance rates and the points on your license.
The Legal Lands on Fox 2 is sponsored by Brown Crouppen Law Firm.